Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. How are you? Okay. Uh, I have recently showed you a series of videos, uh, tutorials, in which I have shown a number of new techniques which are new to the user, but many users, but not very much means basics, but means very interesting ones, and people have admired it, and I've seen overwhelming response from the users. They are becoming popular. So I love the way it's been uh, liked and used by the users. And the response is I'm watching as part of my daily standard practices, which I have worked out. And this is very efficient to see that what is the response and which videos are getting popular, and what is the watch time, right? The watch time is touching 1400, you see, and it is started uh, in June. Yeah, mm, it started in June 2023, very steadily, and then it's- it went up like this for the 13. So I thought I make a video to share my experience to all the YouTubers, encourage them that they should adopt some basic sort of SOPs. Uh, you have to work it out of your own self and stick to it. mm. Daily monitoring of your activities, the performance of your videos, etc. Right. The other thing is that uh, it is actually a word of wisdom that you have to uh, progress uh, without any West means selfishness. What I would say means uh, for the you you should have the spirit of charity for benefit of the human being, for your um, for in your fields, and for the benefit of your field, for humanity, for this. The more you are in this way, the divine help is going to be together with you in this journey, and you this I have experienced in this YouTube tutorial video uploading, and I want to share it to you in this, that how I have been uh, mm, given the support. I obtained the support from the divine support, and uh, just I because of the sincerity and and dedication, and you are dedicated and devoted to serve the humanity, to serve the users, to serve to others, irrespective what you are getting or not, you know. So the rule of thumb in here is sincerity and regularity, and you regularly upload the thing, and sharing of your knowledge to the people for the benefit of the people, right? So that will increase your watch time. That will increase your watch time. That will increase your subscribers, and your subscriber, and the target which is set by YouTube for you is achievable, right? Uh, our target is 1,000 subscriber within 365 days. So in 3 months' time, I've already achieved 50% of it. Means when this red line touches 1,000, my this target is achieved, right? So, uh, so things are going very well, provided you stick to the two things. One is like regularity, the other is sincerity of your purpose, right? Your purpose is sincerity. Sincerely serve to the users, to the thing, and then you are going to get the reward. Of course, no, that's how you will be. So I'm going to share you what happened, what I have observed, and I want to share it to the users so that they are encouraged. The encouraging thing I tell you, uh, by loading a new, for example, uh, I show you what is my SOP of creating a new uh, video, right? So what I do here is I I take you first of all to my video, my channel, right? And in this channel, hang on, yeah, okay. Let me, yeah, that's it. Okay. In my channel, I keep an eye on this, right? It tells me about the subscribers, and when I go to the analytics, I I get this, right? I get this. This is the other thing. Means first is this, and the other is this. The subscriber is achievable. It's all, as you can see, it is already 484, already 50%, near 50%. And the next is the watch time. It is increasing. You can see the grade, and it is 24% more than previous 28 days. Why? No, why 24? Why is it increasing? The watch time is increasing. Uh, that is due to regularity of my purpose, of my uploading of the videos, plus the sincerity. Um, I'm sharing the knowledge, sharing the things to the users for their benefit, uh, with no selfishness in it, mm, and Allah's help is with me, and my videos are being liked, and my watch time is increasing. So I give you an example. I'm going to take you to my folder from which I start. I start from this folder. This is my BPA automation. So many lessons, lesson tutorials have been there. So the last one was 87, for example, right? So today is 88. So the first thing I do is I do Control C, Control V here. Okay, so this is the copy. I make it, I make it 80, from 87 to 80. This is called naming convention, right? And here I will write my the the description of my hair is my experience, my YouTube, sorry, yeah, my my YouTube experience, yeah, and um, word of wisdom. I am going to tell you what word of wisdom I'm going to share with you as part of my YouTube experience. Okay, so this is my tape. So what I do, I copy it so that I add this into Now I add this into the index. I go to the index and here I will write my word of wisdom. Yeah, word of wisdom. Okay, and I copy this here, and this will become 88. Okay, that's it. So this is the first thing I do, and now the my latest videos uh, were the sharing of the command button of the my toolbar, yeah, and each toolbar which I have developed it, I showed you how to develop it. I showed the users how to create them, how to link them to the users, and then in the end, suddenly God gave me the idea that let's use the uh, setting of the hyperlinks. Hmm. Since all my videos, this sheet has a sheet which is links to my other videos. Fine. So I have hyperlinked it for them, and they can open this exactly, this literally this file, and click on it, and they can run the video right from here, right? And knowing that this is a popular, it has already taken 118 errors and so many watch time, so much watch time, etc. Right? Keeping all these things. So in view, you can click on it. Right? Similarly, later on, I introduce you how to hyperlink your index to the your video as well. So you have this button which hyperlinks all the contents of the index to the respective areas, so that uh, any interesting thing which you are so for example you want to learn autofilling using custom list and this and that, you would like to click on it, yeah. So with the click of button it is hyperlinked, right? You don't have to hyperlink by manually. All you need to do is just click this way. You click it and it is hyperlinked, right? So if you want to go to this video, you can directly go to this. It is going to play my video there, and you will start setting the custom list and we'll see. So this is how it is happening. So when I gave this, I did not have any, I didn't know myself that what I'm doing is it's my own benefit. And ever since I have given these hyperlinks within my file, my watch time is increasing because the users have uh, uh, my my viewers have now easy way to access my videos. And later on, so I have provided them the ease, and they have eased up my target of the watch time. Now my watch time is increasing ever since I have made their lives easy by providing these ideas of the shortcuts and buttons, and they are learning it, and they are attracted to the further things which are further ideas which are available in my YouTube videos. So this is the word of wisdom that when you do selflessly and without any selfish means a purpose and for the benefits of the people. Hmm. So it will come to you, come back to you with the benefits, with the fruits, uh, with the with the you will be paid mm, by Allah's help. Allah's help will come to help you out further, because Allah loves those who help their brothers and sisters, right? So we this is the moral of the story, that we we respect the people, we give the people, and Allah will give us uh, His support. So my faith is strengthened, and my devotion seems to be paying to me uh, uh, right as soon. That means no matter no matter it may take some time to come back to you, but it will come back for sure, right? So thank you very much for my all the users for uh, appreciating my efforts, and I will keep on my work, and I hope I will achieve uh, the benefits, and we will be mutually benefited. Thank you very much.